Hi there, Roger Connect, President, Universal Accounting Center. When we were considering the event for 2021, one of the things that we wanted to do is something unique, different, something that would take us out of our comfort zones. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing. I am here at the Royal Creek Ranch, and what we're going to be experiencing in 2021 is an opportunity to take your business into an entirely new frontier. And as we do this, expand your personal confidence and, more importantly, your business's opportunities for success. So I invite you to join us on May 3rd and 4th to experience this entirely new opportunity. Why? Because here at the conference, we're going to be focusing on things such as engaging and manifesting your real potential. We're going to be focusing on the accounting services that you offer to ensure that your clients are getting the quality services that you can deliver in a profitable way. We're going to be focusing on revenue strategies to help you more effectively market and sell your services. We're going to be focusing on things such as efficiency procedures, things that you can do to onboard your clients and do the work for them on a regular basis profitably. And last of all, we're going to be focusing on things that you can do to increase the value of your company. In this process, understand that these 2 days are going to be spent developing you as an individual, as a business owner, as the president of your company, and at the same time, expanding the horizon as to what your clients can experience as you provide quality accounting services. So with all that, I invite you to join us on May 3rd and 4th and actually work on your business at this phenomenal retreat. At the same time, I also want to extend to you an invitation to join me on a pre-conference event where Saturday and Sunday we're going to be relaxing a little bit. And what we're going to do is we're going to have some fun. And here at the ranch, there are a number of activities and amenities that we can take advantage of on Saturday that I invite you to come out and just socially interact and network. And in this process, see what it is you can do to kind of let down your guard and, more importantly, experience things that you've never experienced. At the same time, we're going to have some activities on Sunday that you won't want to miss. It'll be a non-denominational worship service that if you'd like to participate, we'll have dinner and an activity there that you can actually enjoy with basically good, faithful people. Now, with all that being said, I invite you to attend these 4 days together to work on you and your business to ensure your success in 2021. I look forward to meeting you, spending time with you, and want to encourage you to realize that business success is universal. Take care, have a great day, and we'll see you shortly. Bye-bye.